Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Bitcoin number 1, followed by Ethereum, BNB, Solana, XRP, Dogecoin, and then Toncoin at number 10. Let's get straight into it. Bitcoin. So for Bitcoin, yes sir, we have been waiting for the right shoulder, and the right shoulder is loading. Loading is in the making. Okay, my guess is, no guarantees, my guess is we're going to sweep all of these lows here. All of this. 66,600, the one here at 65,900, and the other one here at 64,000. Okay, let's get it precise. 64,602. So my guess is we'll sweep all of this, and then only do we see some sort of a reversal. This will be, of course, the best case scenario for BTC to form a right shoulder. And then after that, ta-da, we go up to potentially 90K. Potentially, but I would like to see this play out first. Right? I mean, of course, we could just not take out these lows and not sweep anything over here. And we could just hang around here for a little bit. And after that, when June rolls around, pump, we break higher. Absolutely possible as well. But I would prefer this to happen though, to be honest. This will be, again, textbook perfect, almost textbook perfect for BTC. If you were to look at a weekly, there is some selling. But again, I think that Bitcoin is going to do very well. Towards the upside. I don't think it's time to be shorting Bitcoin. I mean, obviously, it's not going to be, bearish. As long as, again, we're above the skinny pink line, we always remain with our bullish bias for BTC. And yeah, the only question is, are we going to stay above here? Or are we going to hit a bit lower? I would prefer this to happen. So we're going to have to wait and see how it goes. And we are only 4 days away to the close of the month. So we'll see what June brings for us. Ethereum against BTC. Here we are for ETH against BTC. Okay, ETH is already turning pretty bullish. Again, ETH could also get something like an inverse head and shoulders. Possibly. Again, the thing about ETH BTC is that we're still under the skinny pink line. So I don't really like that. So we need to convincingly break the skinny pink line first. Consolidate a little bit. And then we continue higher for ETH BTC. So let's just break this first. And let's wait for the consolidation to roll around. And of course, the hope is that we stay above the skinny pink line. And then, hey, more likely than not, we continue towards the upside. ETH against USDT is looking pretty good as well. Again, the hope is that when BTC drops to form that right shoulder, Ethereum will drop to form a wave C, right? This is an A, B. Hopefully, we get a wave C. And we get a D, E, and then pump. We break higher. Symmetrical triangle. Squeeze, and then yeah, this will be awesome. However, we know that we're very close to the top, and at the same time, I could count 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if this is the end though for Ethereum. I don't think so. I honestly don't think so. So again, we are hopeful that we will get some sort of a high quality chart pattern over here first before we hit higher for Ethereum, right? I still feel that there's no reason to be bearish for Ethereum yet, right? When we fall in a very controlled manner. When we rise fast. We rise fast. So things are still speeding towards the upside for Ethereum. BNB is still looking pretty good against BTC again. So the hope for what happens for Ethereum against BTC is similar to BNB BTC. That's the hope. Break above the skinny pink line. Consolidate above the skinny pink line, continue higher. Sure, you may drop lower, but the hope is that we continue higher for BNB against BTC. Again, as long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with a bullish bias for BNB BTC. BNB USDT is still loading its right shoulder. It's ahead of Bitcoin in forming its right shoulder. Right, there was a very long zip up here, and now we are again loading. It's loading, boys and girls. We're clearly above the skinny pink line, so we still remain with our bullish bias, and we have 2 clear targets over here, which we derived way back in March. Now it's already May. We're rolling into June, April, May. Yeah, this the 3rd month. We're rolling to the 3rd month, and we are still anticipating it to hit 1,005 potentially. Of course, no guarantees. Things can always drop to 0, but as it stands, we're expecting it to go higher, right? So BNB still looks good to us. We are still bias bullish for BNB USDT. If you do BNB against USDT divided by ETH against USDT, you will see that ETH currently is kind of in a revival, right? And you will see a dip for BNB USDT. This is BNB against ETH, so you will see that potentially BNB is also in some sort of an inverse head and shoulders against Ethereum, which means that potentially BNB could be heading much faster towards the upside against Ethereum. So yeah, look at this inverse head and shoulders, right? So the hope is that we stay above the skinny pink line, some sort of a buying pressure coming in, and then that's it. We continue higher for BNB against USD. I mean, everybody rises would be great, but just that potentially BNB could be heading higher, right? Solana against BTC. Here we are for Sol. Sol against BTC is again still above the skinny pink line, but at the same time, I can also count 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the question we always ask is this the end for Sol against BTC? We are not too sure. We're not too sure. Could we still get another higher high? Yeah. This could be an ending 5th wave in the making. Excuse me. So, yeah, we're still not entirely sure though. Sol has already done tremendously. It's already up 500% against BTC. Hang on. And so there is a risk that the Sol BTC could be heading under the skinny pink line. Again, we still don't see the chart pattern yet. If we start forming mountains over here, then yeah, of course, we'll consider the possibility of things ending, right? The bullish run to be ending, but we don't see it yet. So we'll take things one step at a time for Sol BTC against USD. Here we are for Sol. USD, yeah, again, still clearly above the skinny pink line. Sure, we are on a rally right now, but very close to the high. The best thing that could happen is that we break the highs, we have a clear close above the highs, consolidate a little bit, pump, we go higher. Best case scenario. If you look at Sol against Ethereum, at the moment, you will see that Ethereum is doing pretty good against Sol, right? There is a zip down. Again, we're very close to the highs over here for Sol against Ethereum. Right, and we're losing the height for Sol. Again, just watch the skinny pink line. Make sure that we're above the skinny pink line. The moment we touch it, or if we form, like, let's say for example, a head and shoulders over here, oh, that's bad. It's very, very bad. If we form a head and shoulders over here, right, and if we continue heading lower, then yeah, that's not good. That really is not good. We don't want to go under the skinny pink line because this could be the end of Sol against Ethereum, right? If we were to zip lower, again, we don't have the head and shoulders yet, but if we were to zip lower, where will we find support? Again, there's a noisy area over here. So this will be around 0.03, in my opinion. There could be a bounce over here, but if we were to cross the skinny pink line, I will call this a get out bounce, not a get in bounce. So yeah, again, be very, very careful about rushing into a trade too soon. For Solana, XRP against BTC. Here we are for XRP BTC. Again, we always look at a weekly. It's a gigantic head and shoulders. Could we be zipping straight away down? We don't know. Could there be a rally first before we hit lower? I don't know. But this is uber bearish for me for XRP against BTC. Uber bearish. Yeah, again, I still don't see any signs of life. Of course, if we see a sudden spike over here, boom, then of course things will be awesome, right? And this thing could turn into symmetrical, and then it could be breaking higher for sure. But as it stands, yeah, I don't see that rally yet. So I would preach caution for XRP against BTC, XRP against USD. Here we are for XRP. The daily, we're under the skinny pink line. We don't really like what we're seeing. You know, we've been hovering here for a very long time. I suspect we're gonna form and complete a mountain range over here and head lower. But as it stands, this is bearish for us, and it's not really that high quality. So we're gonna have the next XRP for now. Dogecoin against BTC. Here we are for Dogecoin. Dogecoin is right at the skinny pink line. Again, don't really like what I see. Nothing clear for us against USD. Dogecoin is still above the skinny pink line, which is great. We still have a target over here at 30 cents. We still expect more upside for Dogecoin. Are we going to stop at 30 cents? No, I think we're going to go higher. My suspicion is that we're going to clear these highs and also these highs. We might even clear this one though, but yeah, I think we'll find some resistance at around 46 cents, roughly 46 cents. So yeah, but we'll take things one step at a time. 30 cents first. Stay above the skinny pink line. Toncoin. Okay, Toncoin is still bullish, right? Ton against BTC. We're still in a consolidation over here. Again, this is the all-time high, so another zip higher for Toncoin. Is it 60%? Again, we're not entirely sure, but we're expecting this consolidation to complete, and then we break higher for Ton BTC. Against USD, Ton is, let's get it on gate. Ton is also potentially completing a squeeze, right? This is really looking to me like a potential cup and handle breaking out, but we are hoping that we drop a little bit lower, clear all the lows over here, and also here as well. Maybe we drop towards like 540, sub 40, 40, 50, 40, right? Clearing these lows. And then we go back up. Oh, textbook perfect. This will be textbook perfect for Ton against USD. But yeah, no reason to be bearish. I still think that there's more upside. Again, we have a clear target over here. $13.50, which we acquired way back in March, the same time as BNB. So these are the two coins that are bullish at the moment. BNB and Toncoin. And Ethereum is starting to look bullish as well. But we still need to see clear bullish chart patterns for Ethereum yet. I mean, we haven't seen it yet. We know that there's a strong rally and things could be switching bullish, but as it stands, it's just, yeah, again, we still would love to see a consolidation first for Ethereum, but BNB and Toncoin is doing pretty well at the moment. All right, boys and girls, I guess that's it for our top 10. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you have yet to check out last week, we took a look at the comments. See you in the next one.